My name is Selahattin Deniz. I am the Naval Project Director of STM. We are already build the 4 Ada class Milgem corvette for Turkish Navy, and we deliver all of them. And we are continuing as a main contractor, as a designer and performance responsibility fully belong to us. We are constructing Milgem 5 Istanbul class frigates, and we reached the harbor acceptance test phase. Besides that, we are also continue the construction of the logistic support ships, 2 of them, each one is 9,000 tons for the Turkish Navy. We are not only the surface ship designer, constructor or modernization company, we are also responsible for the submarine design, modernization and construction. In the Turkish Navy side, we are already modernized the 209I class submarine, 2 of them already completed and delivered, and we are continuing for the 209 Preveze class submarine modernization for Turkish Navy. Besides these projects in Pakistan, we are continue the Agosto 90B class submarine modernization. 2 of them already done and delivered. We are continuing to work on the 3rd one in PN Dockyard, Karachi shipyard. The other construction project is the Turkish Navy new type submarine, air independence type submarine, 6 of them. We are the main contractor of the under TKMS, Germany. This submarine contracted in the Gölcük Naval Shipyard. Very first time, the Section 50 means torpedo side blocks, very first time built in Turkey. We are design and manufacture. STM 500 submarines, we are calling this small submarine but shallow water attack submarine, but actually they are designed for our customer. She already has the classic submarine features like a 209 class. She is diving 250 meters and 30 days survival in the sea, but they have another section on the forward side for the special force. They are carrying the special force, the shallow side, and they are going their works after the operation, collect them and back to ports. These are fully our design. STM is also only one civilian company who has the design capability for the submarine in Turkey. The other small one is our fast attack craft. Also, she is designed for the customer. She is 40 plus knots speed, very good ships, 60 meters. I hope this year we are gonna sign a contract with our customers, I hope. I would like to add one more word. As you know, we got an earthquake in Turkey. May God have mercy on the citizen who lost their life in this Turkey earthquake, this disaster, and many still under the collapsed houses. I hope no one live like that disaster anywhere. Thank you.